Hi and welcome back to our channel. I'm Hector with Meistergram, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unbox your GEM 1500 TC. To start, we'll need a 5/16 bit in order to remove the screws at the bottom of the crate. Next, with the help of a second person, go ahead and take the lid and lift it off the base of the machine and set it aside. Once you remove the lid, you'll notice the flat table as well as parts to the stand alongside the machine. We'll now go ahead and remove the packaging material from the machine itself. Once you're ready, let's go ahead and remove the packaging material. Once you've unpackaged the machine, you'll see that all the accessories come inside wrapped with the machine. So it's time to take all this stuff out so that we can remove the extra packaging on the control panel, and we can take the straps off the lower part of the crate and get the machine onto the stand. Finally, we'll go ahead and remove the screws holding the two straps in the front of the machine. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit like if you like what you saw in this video, and hit the notification button down there so you can see new videos whenever they come up. See ya!